Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about for the basic course for beginner. We were going to study the basic Archi sample project. So okay, how they create this project. So we study based on this Archi sample. Then we can practice uh, based on this project. How he arrange this model, how he arrange the view, how he arrange the sheet or something like this. So we can study it, we can take action to do practice to create the model based on this. Then you will be get skill to improve your modeling skill. Okay, let's study. So this I just opened it from basic sample project architecture. So okay, yesterday we already talked about for the level 1, so we have moved to level 2. So okay, yesterday we spoke about this guy for color scheming, then how we going to arrange it. I refer from the yesterday video. It's a part 13. We have a look this, and how we going to create the annotation is a previous before yesterday, and the test already explained it. Then okay, most of them as already explained. Then okay, I will move to the side. Okay, today I will move to side. Then he arranged this view for the site for the presentation or something. But you look at this, the whole thing is appear. Okay, did you see any this the dotted line here? Okay, what is this? Then you click on this, you go and see the property that I used to telling that. Is there any you want to know something as you click it? Don't double click anything, you just one click, single click, and then steady on the property. Everything is there. Okay, you look at this, what the property is saying. Property line. This property line where it come from, we can create it, we can edit it. Right now you click is use single click and seeing the property. Then look at on here, is a gray color here, like gray here, and the modify property. You can edit. This is he created a sketch. This is a property. Okay, when you see the drawing, Archi drawing, then you will see the property line. That property line is mean that is your scope of work. It's out of this line. That's not your work. That's not your project. That's not your property. So you can't touch anything. So within the project line, that is your scope of work. You whatever the scope of work, the list, that you look down, that you have to work. Okay, that's an understanding for the site. Okay, you didn't editing anything, you cross it. Okay, this property line where it come from. Okay, that seems like this is the view, or this for the understanding is the view. So where it come from? Okay, you look at on the view in here, you look for property lines where it come from. Okay, we are going to study in the annotation first. So is there any property line? No, right? Okay, there's a view or the no, right? Then going to the manage. Is there any property line in here? There's no. Okay, then is another thing, just go in the machine. Then you here is modifying the site. So I mean this line is not the view, this is a part of all the site. Okay, the site property. So I mean this is a property from of site. So you go in the machine site, you look here, modifying the site, the property. Okay, right now I will click to create a new one. Okay, create by entering distance bearing or create by the sketch. Okay, definitely you just go on the create by the sketch, because you have the property line is decided by the client, is the owner. So you have to click, you have to create based on the drawing. So just go ahead, create by the sketch. So you can, for now you just create whatever you want, just like, okay, that just now I just explained to you how the creation of this property line. Okay, for your real work, just follow the drawing. Okay, this is the property line. Okay, something like this you can create it. Okay, and you can look at this, the shadow here, because the sun is on here, the shadow is on. Okay, something like this. Actually based on for your real world, so that's not necessary for the shade on or shade off or something. Definitely shade off. Okay, and then another thing is the view. This view, the whole thing you are able to see right now because of the view range. The view range okay, I give you the example. You look, you look at the any object with your own eye, so you can see the whole thing in front of you, and behind you doesn't see that, because of this your eye range to see in front only, doesn't see any behind that. So that thing is the view range. So you look at on the view range, where here we go into the view range. Where is the view range? Okay, I will show you now. This view range, you look up in the property box, then look for the view range. Here is extend, under extend, here the view range. Okay, look at this. This one I will release a one video on understanding of the view range, so don't worry about that. Let me finish the beginning for the beginner, that I will explain to you in next another video for this guy. So the view range is the main thing is the coupling here. This is the offset is 100 meter. He cut the 100 meter from the level 1. Okay, the top view is a level 1, above is 100 meter. So I mean the bottom line is the number 3, the bottom 1, 2, 3. The bottom line, you only want to see about the 0 until the 0 level from level 1. Okay, the view depth, this view depth is the underneath or you are in the element, underneath you are able to see the project. That is a view depth. So you want to see is a number 4 here, is associated level is a level 1 and anti 0 level. That is mean. So, okay, 5 and 6 is a primary view, primary range. 6 is a view depth. Then 7 is total. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the total depth is a view range. That is called as a view range. Okay, then just click on it. Then you're able to see the whole thing from the top view. Is something like this. Okay, then okay, he click on this guy. It's property line depth, and see like this. This is a property depth here he created. And here is nothing, the south is something like this. Okay, just right click where it come from. Okay, right click, then you click on this annotation here. Anything else, we can go on the tab view here, or just like this. This is the calling of the tab. You see that the property line segment, this is a family name. Okay. Look at this, degrees minus seconds. Something like this. Okay, this is the calling of the tag. Tagging is you're going to the annotate, just see in the tag by category. Okay, this is the tree tagging is a T1. Mostly you can see in the key something like the green color for the tree is that they have a own naming, because the government assigned this tree is by the naming. The government doesn't allow you to cut this tree or something like that. They record this tree is there, something like this. Okay, that's the government, but I just forget about it. That's not part of the modeling job. Okay, I will move on. Now we are already done for the site. Then we move on to the 3D view. Okay, I will click on the approach. The way that is something like that. Okay, this thing where it come from. Okay, what you can do is that is the camera view. Okay, I will go into the level 1. Okay, you look at this is approach, that he giving the name is approach. Okay, this view where it come from, that actually definitely this is he made it by camera. Okay, this camera you can create it here. Level, go into the plan view, then go to view, and let's down to the 3D view here, the camera. Okay, I click on it. I just telling you the one shot is the rest is the same, so you follow up. This camera view, you click on here, you will look at on the whole view here, thing like this. That is the camera frame he set it. Okay, then after that he go into the real estate and then go into the detail view, and then if you choose to real estate, right, is something he loading, he consume the graphic to your PC. Okay, mostly this is used for the presentation. Is something. Okay, if you don't like to see this guy, double click on this, and then it's not really nice, this guy. if you want to rotate it this, you hold down the shift key. At the same time, you hold down to the mouse wheel, and then you rotate it where you wanted to see this, and you want to modify the view something like this. Okay, I just leave it there. Okay, I will close. That's a creation. I will teach you this. Okay, I will close it right now. That the camera, it doesn't appear in here. Okay, and I will go into the approach here. Okay, you look at here. There's a lock. It's a lock. It doesn't allow you to modify this guy. You see that? Doesn't allow you. This is a stop sign. Stop sign. He doesn't allow you to rotate or doesn't allow you to modify the view. Okay. So you look at in here is a lock. Just untick and lock view. Then you, after this, you can rotate it and you can modify. What you need to do is press down the shift key. At the same time, you press down to the mouse wheel. Okay, rotate it like this. That's something like this. Okay. Then after that, if you like this view, just lock it. Save orientation and lock view here. Then after that, you put down to the sheet. That is already done for the presentation. Okay. Same scenario. This and this is a 3D view. Okay. Then if you go into the default 3D view, those are the same. This is a default 3D view. Okay. You can delete it. Don't worry about this. You can delete it. You can create this view, and you change to the realistic. Same thing the way we appear again. Okay. The original one is it. Okay, just call it topo. Okay, hold on. The first thing you see, the downside is because of this cross view section bar. Call it the section bar. Okay, okay, go into the top view. Make sure you need to cross the topo, then you are able to see the sign below. Okay, just like this. After this section bar is really messing up in your view, you can hide it. What you need to do is just call the visibility at VR or VV, something like that. Go annotation and go into the section bar as uncheck. Done. Then you don't want to see the level line, just call the VV and go into level, then uncheck. Okay, something like this. That's how you doing this. Okay, I think for today they're good enough to explain to you for the view and the property, how to create the property line, how to editing the property line, what is a property line. Okay, I explained to you what's the camera, how to create the camera view for the presentation, how you modify to the view, how to lock the camera, how to lock the view for the presentation. Okay, please stay know about it. You write down on your note, or if you recognize this, I will appreciate you. So see you tomorrow. Thank you. I hopefully another one more day and then we're totally finished for the beginner course. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. If you doubt something, you comment down below. I will right away to answer you, and then you can email me. Okay, I will be always for you. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.